As you can see, this is our sample line of manual type powder coating machine. You can see that. Okay, I will introduce it from the beginning. You can see this is an electrical cabinet. This is the control unit. You can see this is a Siemens, and about the switches is Schneider. You can see that. This is a PLC control system. As you can see, this is the transport trolley. We can move it up and back by manual, like this. Oh yeah, it's connected now, so we can put it up and back. This transport trolley and these fixed bins installed on the trolley. You can see that this is a fixed bin, and this yellow bin, you can see this is a slide bin. It can slide into the powder coating booth like that. When it slides into the powder coating booth, it will be pushed by the conveyor chains like that. You can see the chains, and by this device, you can see that it can push the slide track up forward, and through the powder coating booth, the products will be well coated. And you can see that this is a reciprocator, or we can say is a lifter. Its stroke is 2.4 meters, and we have different types about the lifter. And you can see this is a powder recovery system. This is the big feature of our powder coating system. It's a quick release device. When you need to change the color, you can see that this is a lock, and there is a lock. We can open the lock, and this is a pneumatic cylinders. It will push up this part up, and so we push this box out and change another box in this place, so we can change the color very quickly in about 10 minutes. Now this is a powder bucket. You can see that. And about this device is a compressed air hose. About a few minutes, there will be a compressed air blew into this, and then the compressed air come down, and the filters in this device, and blew the filters, so the powder will drop down. You can see inside. You can see that. This is the filters for powder recovery. And this is a conveyor chain, and this is a motor. And these two sides are the same. And as you can see, this is the support columns. it has different sizes. It can depends on your product's weight. You can choose about your daily output, and also the fixed bins on the trolley. There are three fixed bins. If our daily output is large than that, we can design more fixed bins on the trolley, about 5 or 6, one group. And about this fixed bin, this is a main bin. We can slide the flexible track through this track and back to the beginning, so we can reuse in recycle. Before our powder coating booth, there will be surface pre-treatment and drying oven, and after the powder coating booth, there will be the kerning oven. As I supply to you the drawings. You can see that, and you can see our factory is really very big, and you can see that